Hi, this is Jody from MCPactions.com. Today I'm so excited to show you my new MCP Actions Magic Blogget boards for Photoshop CS2 and up. These are going to change the way that photographers prepare their photos for websites and for blogs, and I know you guys are going to all love this. As you can see, I'm currently building a 7-opening Blogget board. And just at the click of a button. There are 15 different Blogget boards to choose from in this set, and your photos are automatically inserted. All you have to do is just adjust the size and positioning as they go into your Blogget board. Once the Blogget board is filled, you'll actually be able to add a branding bar if desired, and that puts your logo right onto your board at the top, bottom, or either side of your Blogget board. And then lastly, your Blogget board can be made smaller than the 900 pixel, which is the default, by using one of my 8 reformatting actions that are included in the set. These will be between 500 and 900 pixels wide. So you can see how easy this is to do. At the click of a button and a few check marks, you will have your Blogget board built. Thank you for watching, and I hope you enjoy.